Let's kick the tires on this Compass enclosed trailer. Welcome back to the Virtual Tire Kicker series. It's Leroy with Happy Trailers. I've got a 24-foot Compass enclosed that we're going to check out today. All right, as I mentioned, 24-foot long enclosed cargo. This is easily a car hauler as well. Let's check this thing out. You've got a 2 5/16 ball up in the front with your standard 2,000-pound top line jack and your 7-way wire harness with the dual wall connectors here as well. Safety chains. This is your breakaway box right here and your breakaway cable. Looking at the frame of this trailer, you've got a triple tube tongue, and the tongue is a 2x6 tubing. There we are, 6 inches. As you can see here, it's got the blackout trim package as well. Screwless sides, a sweet looking enclosed trailer. Coming up to the passenger side door here, you've got the cam bar lock and then an RV latch as well. This is a 36-inch wide door with a full piano hinge and your metal holdback right here as well. You got a little step coming up into the trailer. All right, here we are. So inside, you're looking 24 foot long. That doesn't include the V here, so you get a little bit of extra bonus space right here as well. You're looking an extra 27 inches with the V right here. You've got some D-rings for car tie downs. You got 2 here in the front and 2 more here in the back. And let me see if I can show you this. It's got a little Beavertail here in the back 4 foot as well. The full 8.5 foot wide means that your fenders are going to be here on the inside of the trailer, and you've got 81 inches in between your fenders, 81.5 if we want to get real technical. These fenders are also 10 inches tall, and if we want to go how deep these fenders are, you got 7 inches inside the trailer here on each side. This trailer has got a 7 foot tall interior height, so lots of walking room. Head space in here as well. You can see the cross members are a 1x2 tubing. This is both on the ceiling and the walls. Your cross members are on 16-inch centers. Let me get that for you. There you are. The flooring and the walls in this trailer is a high performance flooring, so it's extremely water resistant. It won't warp or fade that way. Your floor is going to be a 3/4 inch high performance floor, and then the walls are 3/8 high performance. You got some flow through vents. This one here is on the driver's side up top, and then if you come here to the passenger side towards the bottom, you see the other flow through vent. You've also got 2 little dome lights in here as well, one towards the back and one towards the front. The ceiling is a 1-piece aluminum, and your little switch right here for the lights. All right. As I mentioned, it's got screwless sides. It's a really clean look. Your black diamond plate on your fenders. These are 5,200-pound axles with spring suspension. So that's a 6-lug axle, and it gives you a 225/75 R15 radial 8-ply tire. Let's check out underneath here a little bit as well. Check out the cross members here. The frame and everything is undercoated. Cross members as well. This is what those flow-through vents look like on the outside. All right, coming around the back, it's got the little spoiler here in the back too with 2 loading lights for a car. Cam bar latches here in the back. And it's got a cable assist ramp gate. And a little extended flap here as well to make loading that much easier. Here's your switch here for the loading lights. And with it being cable assist, it makes it real easy to close this thing up, even just one-handed. Almost too easy. Every light on this trailer is LED. We got the LED strip tail lights, the LED clearance lights, all LED. This trailer makes for the perfect entry-level race hauler or a great construction trailer as well. Really, the uses are endless with this thing, and the white and blackout package just looks so clean as well. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. We'll see you for the next one.